Number 1. 1962 Ford F-100 Unibody, $4,500, Espanola, New Mexico. This 1962 Ford F-100 Unibody is a rare body-style truck known for its unique integrated bed and cab design, produced only for a short time. This example is a rear-wheel drive V8 with a manual transmission and shows about 50,000 miles. It is described as a fair condition project and would suit someone wanting an affordable entry into early 60s Ford trucks. The clean title and mostly complete nature make it a solid foundation for restoration. Number 2. 1962 International V131 ton dually flatbed, $3,400, Antelope Valley, California. This 1962 International V130 is a 1-ton dually flatbed that remains complete and rust-free, a rarity for these heavy-duty models. It shows 69,000 original miles and features a 4-speed manual transmission. Parked since 1996, it is currently non-running and requires full mechanical revival. With a 2-year-only body style, this V130 appeals to collectors drawn to uncommon early 60s international trucks. Number 3. 1978 Ford F-150 Custom 4x4, $6,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1978 Ford F-150 Custom is a long bed, 4-wheel drive truck equipped with a 351 Windsor V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Odometer rollover is noted. It has been parked for 7 years but still runs, drives, and stops, though the engine needs attention. The body is impressively solid with only a small rust spot on the driver's door. For late 70s Ford truck fans, this nearly rust-free example offers a strong foundation for mechanical and cosmetic upgrades.
Number 4. 1973 GMC truck, 2-ton dump bed, $3,000, Plains, Montana. This 1973 GMC 2-ton truck with a functional dump bed offers excellent utility for those needing a heavy-duty hauler. It features an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and a manual transmission. Although listed in fair condition, its clean title and straightforward mechanical layout make it practical for farm use, material handling, or vintage commercial vehicle collectors. Trucks of this size and era are valued more for functionality than restoration, and this example appears to be a solid working platform.
Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet S10, 7-foot bed, 5-speed, 4x4, new factory GM V6 motor, 20 miles, $2,999, Silverton, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 is a clean title compact pickup equipped with a new GM Crate 2.8L V6 engine showing only about 20 miles of use. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and factory 4-wheel drive, the truck has been used exclusively on private property for hauling branches. It features a 7-foot bed with the original plastic bed liner, power steering, and air conditioning. The body retains its original paint and shows several dents from work use. The 117-inch wheelbase, factory listed as 117.9 inches, makes it an excellent candidate for older Chevy truck frame swaps that require centered wheel positioning. The truck has good tires but needs interior carpet and general cleaning, and the seller may attempt to straighten dents and detail the vehicle next week. The owner primarily needs cash but may consider partial trades, specifically carpentry or light electrical work on an old barn. For budget-minded classic truck enthusiasts, this S10 represents a solid project platform or functional work vehicle with a very low-mile factory engine.
Number 6. 1985 Nissan 720, $3,300, Calumet, Washington. This 1985 Nissan 720 is a well-maintained, never-wrecked pickup equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, both known for reliability and excellent fuel economy. Recent upgrades include new tires, fuel pump, battery, muffler, ignition components, and more. The air conditioning works but needs charging. The interior requires new carpet, but the truck is mechanically refreshed and ready to drive. With growing appreciation for 1980s Japanese compact pickups, this clean title 720 is a solid budget-friendly classic. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe, $3,000, Healdsburg/Windsor, California. This 1986 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe is a well-used but dependable vineyard truck powered by a 2.8 LV6 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 206,000 miles and a clean title. While it has several age-related issues, including non-functional air conditioning, imprecise gauges, and quirks with the windows and door locks, the truck starts reliably and drives smoothly once up to speed. It delivers over 20 miles per gallon on rural roads. This is a practical, affordable classic light truck for daily use or farm duties. Number 8. 1989 GMC 4x4K 1500, $2,500, Four Corners, New Mexico. This 1989 GMC K 1500 four-wheel drive pickup features a strong 350 cubic inch engine, reportedly bored .030 over, and paired with a manual transmission. It requires work. The interior is worn, the steering column needs replacement, the tie rods and sway bar links are required, and the starter has issues, though the seller can push start it and provide video proof of it running. With extra parts included, this clean title long bed truck is a promising foundation for someone seeking an affordable high-torque classic square body. Number 9. 1984 Dodge D350D/Y, $4,500, Aberdeen, Washington. This 1984 Dodge D350 Prospector is a heavy-duty, rear-wheel drive D/Y powered by a 360 V8 paired with a 727 automatic transmission. It includes a tow package, heavy-duty suspension, vintage camper topper, new ignition components, a new brake master cylinder, and a new windshield. The frame is rust-free and the truck runs, drives, and stops well. Clean D350 examples are increasingly valued among hauler enthusiasts, and this well-maintained truck offers impressive capability for the price. Number 10. 1956 Chevrolet Flatbed Dump Truck, $500, Petaluma, California. This 1956 Chevrolet Flatbed Dump Truck, model TJFB, is a true project priced accordingly. Equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and a clean title, the truck has been kept on non-operational status. It requires a full restoration, and the odometer is non-functional. Mid-1950s Chevrolet commercial trucks hold historical appeal due to their rugged construction and distinctive styling. At this low price, it is best suited as a restoration base, parts donor, or static display.
Number 11. 1972 Dodge W200 Power Wagon, $6,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1972 Dodge W200 Power Wagon is a rugged four-wheel drive classic with a strong stance and a surprisingly solid and mostly rust-free body. The truck includes unique period accessories like gun racks and a factory cowboy hat holder. With 92,669 miles, an automatic transmission, and an 8-cylinder engine, it offers straightforward drivability. The starter Bendix issue, along with minor dash and shock repairs, are noted, but the truck continues to run better with ongoing improvements. A great vintage Dodge with excellent potential for restoration or off-road use. Number 12. 1961 Chevrolet C10 Pickup, $8,800, Cold Springs, Nevada. This 1961 Chevrolet C10 short-bed stepside is an appealing vintage pickup featuring a V8 engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, and power steering. With the odometer rolled over, actual mileage is unknown, but the truck appears in good condition. Early 1960s C10s are prized for their styling and simplicity, making this clean-titled example an excellent candidate for light restoration or weekend cruising. Number 13. 1999 Chevrolet S10, $800, Arlington, Texas. This 1999 Chevrolet S10 is a budget-priced, rear-wheel drive work truck showing 220,000 miles. It has a bad engine and does not run, but the automatic transmission is reportedly good. The body and interior are clean, and it rides on new tires. With a clean Texas title, it functions as a rolling project suitable for drivetrain replacement or parts.